Welcome all you beautiful people. This is my first video and I thought I'd show you how I cook a simple but all-time favorite pepper chicken. I'm going to show you how I put my twist on it. I am Chef Nicole and you are cooking with Nick.
Okay, we are going to start by chopping 5 big onions. You can leave the roots on like this so that it doesn't make your eyes tear up, but I'm used to it, so I'm just going to cut it off. And we're just going to start chopping it up. You can see how I'm going to chop. Just slice through the onion there, cut it in half, and then slice it the other way. So we have a stick of cinnamon, the chopped onions, and these beautiful curry leaves that I picked out from my garden. I'm using a lot of curry leaves because they give the dish a lot of depth and they are very healthy. So let's go. So I'm using around 250 ml of groundnut oil. I'm using groundnut oil because it gives the dish a lot of flavor and a beautiful aroma. So go ahead and pour that in. Once the oil is hot, drop in the cinnamon and those chopped onions. Then in go those beautiful fresh curry leaves and stir. Next, I've chopped up 150 grams of coconut into little chips just to give the dish a nice crunchy texture. Next, we have 6 half-ripe cooking tomatoes. I'm using orange ones because these will give the chicken a slight tangy flavor. So let's go ahead and chop that up. All you have to do is take your tomato on its side, slice the top off, cut it down the middle, and then slice thin slices so that it cooks beautifully. Next we have 100 grams of ginger garlic paste. You can use store-bought paste, but fresh ground paste is always better. Next add in your tomatoes. Add some salt to taste. Now we add in the chicken and stir for 2 minutes. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of turmeric, 3 tablespoons of chili powder. You can replace 1 tablespoon with Kashmiri chili powder if you want a nice color. Now we add 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of coriander powder. And finally, we have 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder.
Don't forget to drop a like and click the subscribe button. I'll see you on the flip side.